Good day, M4984. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, mom and sir. Good morning. My name is Helen O. Francisco. I'm 41 years old. I'm a single. I'm a Catholic, and I'm college graduate by computer programming for 2 years.
Okay, I saw the job experience being a helper in Malaysia. As a helper, what are your main duty?
My main duties and responsibilities: I cleaning the house, I'm walking the dog, I'm ironing, I wash the clothes, and I prepare the breakfast in the morning, and in the evening I can help the madam to cook.
Okay, I saw also the job experience being a helper in Malaysia. What are your main duty there as a helper?
As a helper in Malaysia.
Romania, sorry.
Okay, sorry. It's okay. My main duties and responsibilities in Romania: I take care of the 1-year-old child and 3 years old also, and I can go to school, to Sunday school, and go to activities, and I can play and teach him how to write, to count, like that. And also I can wash the clothes only for the kids.
Okay, I saw the job experience taking care of a 1-year-old baby girl, right? How do you prepare a meal for this 1-year-old baby?
Yeah, I can wash my hands, and then I can wash the bottle and put the sterilize, and after that I can put the milk, and I can put the water, and
Yeah.
after I can shake it. If I finish to shake, I can put in my hands to try the temperature, if okay or no. If okay, I can give to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I can check the diaper if full of pee or full of got poo-poo. But if no, if it's still crying, I can touch the head. If got a fever, if didn't stop crying, I can carry the baby and to sing, like that. But if it didn't stop, I can go to the room of the mother. I can bring one clothes wearing in the night, and then I can put to the baby to smell the mother.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong? What is the reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because the higher salary, and I want to experience the community,
And also,
and also
you can save money for
and
your
I
future,
can
right?
save money for my future, and I can help to my mother.
Okay, to keep financial support
Yes.
for your mother. Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as she like my boss or mom, I stay longer.
Okay, if your employer wants you to stay. Okay, for sure you know how to cook some Chinese food because you're ex-Malaysia, right?
Yes.
What kind of dishes can you cook?
Only soup and fry the veggie, and only steam, like that, the simple dishes. Because
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you're not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
yes,
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
yes,
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
yes,
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or on holiday set up by your employer.
yes,
If the employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
yes. I learn a lot.
Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
Hello, mom and sir. I hope you choose me because I'm honest, I'm a patient, and I trustworthy. And thank you, mom and
Okay,
sir.
thank you very much. M4984, Miss Helen.